Okay, we continue our laboratory with the heart. At the heart, we can divide it histologically into also main three layers from the internal to the external and to the endocardium. Started with the endocardium. Myocardium, it's the biggest part, and epicardium, or called visceral pericardium. I can show you at this slide. All these are a myocardium. It's a classical striated cardiac muscle. And the last part is the epicardium, or called visceral pericardium. Okay. I can make you a simple diagram to make the layers and details. Okay. Heart to the endocardium. After the endocardium, it consists of the endothelium, or simple squamous epithelium. Okay. These are lined by a connective tissue type, dense connective tissue, also fibroelastic connective tissue. Also, we can find a smooth muscle. Also, we can find blood vessels. Okay? And these two are supplied by or underlined by layer called subendothelium or subendocardium. Subendocardium. These are containing a modified cardiac muscle fiber called Purkinje fibers. Purkinje fibers. It's considered the conducting of contraction stimulatory impulses of the cardiac muscles. Okay. We continue the second part of the heart's layer. It's myocardium, also containing loose connective tissue, and the biggest part is classical striated cardiac muscle. Okay. Also, we can find blood vessels and nerve. So, the last part is epicardium, or called visceral pericardium. Also containing loose connective tissue, containing a main coronary arteries and vein, artery and vein. Also, we can find nerve, also we can find adipose tissue. Okay. From the outside, it's the visceral pericardium that consisting from visceral layer of pericardium, visceral serous, and parietal serous from outside, and external is a fibrous layer of pericardium. Okay. At this slide also These are Purkinje fiber at the subendocardium. These are endocardium, endothelial layer, simple squamous. Okay, and these are Purkinje fiber. All these are the myocardium, straight cardiac muscle. Okay, and from the outside it's containing adipose tissue, look like the large layer of cardiac muscle, and these are the epicardium, adipose tissue. Okay. I forget explain that the epicardium from the outside are lined by also simple squamous epithelium. At the outside it's called mesothelium. So from inside it's endothelium and from outside is mesothelium. Okay. I'll change this slide into the another slide. Also explain the main layers of the heart. These are started with the myocardium. All these are myocardium. Okay. Ending with the epicardium, I can show you the coronary artery. These are a coronary artery located at subepicardium. Okay, these are the coronary artery. All these are adipose tissue at the epicardium. Okay. There are a slide, many slides, show and explain the type of valves. We have a 4 type of valves located at the heart. 2, it's called semilunar valve, right and left, and 2 are called atrioventricular valves, also right and left. At the semilunar valve, the right is direction of the blood from the right ventricle to the pulmonary trunk, while the left semilunar, the direction from the left ventricle to the aorta, and the atrioventricular valves are located both sides, left and right. It's also called tricasp at the right and bicasp or called mitral at the left side. Okay. Also, its function to prevent backflow of the blood. Okay. All these are a cardiac muscle. And I can show you. These are a semilunar valve. Okay. These are a semilunar valve. It's based, also it's lined by from inside and outside by the endothelium. Okay, and filled with fibrous connective tissue and based on a fibrous connective tissue called skeleton or fibrous skeleton. That's also containing a 3 type of layers. It's annuli fibrosi and septum membranosum and trigonum fibrosum. And these are the semilunar valve are based on a trigonum, the type of trigonum fibrosum. Okay? All these are a semilunar valve. Okay? Another slide. Also a section of cardiac muscle and epicardium. Okay, these are the epicardium containing coronary artery. The same, I think. Okay. Also, it's a semilunar valve. And we can finish our laboratory today. Thank you.